How to make a song in Garageband with no musical skill. Open Garageband. Start with the drummer. That sounds fine. Now click the track menu over here. Click the plus at the bottom and we will add another instrument. Let's start with bass. So over on the right here we have auto chords, which will make a bit of a pattern for us. So okay, that sounds fine to me. So I'm going to record that. I press the red button at the top. Alright, that sounds fine to me, but I better remember what the chords are. So if I click the gear at the top right, and then I click Notepad, I can write down that I had E minor, A minor, D minor, G, and then C. Okay, I'm going to click the track menu at the top left again, and this time I'm going to add some guitar. And I'm going to choose classic clean. Okay, I've got the same thing. I can click auto chords. Click back to the start and click record. And so now I got a basic track. And that will do for now.